someone know deep up my feelings for you.
Hello viewers, thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. The headlines. Governor Hope Uzodimma said he have no reason to support assault on Comrade Joe Ajaero. Next after this we have only through federalism will correct injustice in Nigeria, says by Professor Joshua Alobo. But before we commence fully with the news, welcome to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us. So if this is your first time of watching, please do us a favor to like and subscribe, and also turn the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out on the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining us. To all our viewers, feel relaxed, enjoy, and stay tuned. The Imo State Governor Hope Uzodimma has said that he had no reason to have supported the attack on the president of the Nigeria Labour Congress, Joe Ajaero, during protests in the state. Governor Hope Uzodimma stated this when he appeared on Channels Television's Politics Today on Thursday night. Governor Hope Uzodimma thought that Joe Ajaero is pursuing his interest. So he said times without number that he is a member of the Labour Party and he has a candidate in the election of Imo State. So he's driving whatever program that will give an advantage to the Labour Party in Imo State. He said if he followed with the interest the history of the Labour Congress from 1999 to date, never in the history of any government has the Labour Congress or Labour Union shown the level of hostility that have been shown to his administration. Governor Hope Uzodimma said, assuming anybody has gone to Joe Ajaero to report that there was anything the Imo State government has not done right, he thought that the first thing Joe Ajaero would have done is to try to find out from the state government. But he hasn't met Comrade Joe Ajaero. They've not discussed, and Joe Ajaero has never presented anything to him. Governor Hope Uzodimma said he's not a member of the Labour Union and he has no reason to encourage or support an assault on Comrade Joe Ajaero, who is the president of the Nigeria Labour Congress. He was asked whether the governor could directly apologize to the Nigeria Labour Congress president over the assault. Governor Hope Uzodimma said, ordinarily, whether Joe Ajaero is the Labour president, if such a thing happens to any human being, he must apologize because it's in his state. So whatever thing that happened to Comrade Joe Ajaero in his state, which he is not aware of, and can never be aware of what led to him being assaulted, of course, it must be regretted by himself and the government. It was reported that Comrade Joe Ajaero was arrested by the police on Wednesday, November 1st, 2023, at the State Secretariat of the Nigeria Labour Congress. Although the police in its statement noted that they took Ajaero into protective custody following the attack by a mob, the Nigeria Labour Congress refuted the claim, noting that Comrade Ajaero was arrested and brutalized. So guys, let's know your thoughts. Your contributions are in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation lively in the comment section. Moving on to the next one. The Professor of Law and Jurisprudence, Joshua Alobo, on Thursday said only through federalism would correct injustice in Nigeria. He made this known at the annual Colloquium International Conference and Award Ceremony organized by the University Benin Republic and in conjunction with the Association of Business Technologists of Nigeria, held at Southern Bello Hall, University of Ibadan. Alobo, who delivered a lecture on the theme of the event, National Restructuring of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for Economic Prosperity, said the problem in our country is that we avoid honest dialogue. The cries of marginalization, restructuring, and secessionist tendencies are at their core a cry for justice in our country. Some compatriots will go beyond their agreements with secessionist rhetoric in the Southeast, Southwest, and South today to treat their fellow Nigerians with unjustified suspicion because of their belief about how Nigeria can be repaired, or indeed if our country should remain one country. Our country is currently anchored on injustice in many ways, and that arrangement won't last forever. So we can take that to the bank. The federal government of the Nigeria and our countrymen and women should therefore take the increasingly potent agitation by various groups in Nigeria with the seriousness the matter deserves. Joshua Alobo said that if the Nigeria state must engage the agitation and address, as well as readdress their root causes that lie in decades of self-evident marginalization that several groups have experienced in post-Civil War Nigeria, He added that Nigeria cannot achieve greatness as a country without national unity, stability, and cohesion, saying what is required is that we bury the winner, take all mentality driven by ethnic and religious irredentism, and design a structure that works for us all. In his speech, the second Samarin for the 17th Southern state of Nigeria, Sani Damuntag, who was conferred with the doctorate degree in conflict and resolution, said restructuring should begin from individuals to the families, communities, local governments, and states before it will be done at the federal level. He said the more we are demanding for restructuring, the more crises we have. The first restructuring we did to have is self-restructuring. We need to believe in ourselves and we must be ready to serve the nation selflessly. We have to believe in one Nigeria, and other things will come into play, because those who are demanding restructuring, even if they are given, we still come again and ask for something. It will be a continuous demand. But whenever we have sincere leaders, no one will ask for restructuring. Even those that are asking for restructuring have restructured where they are coming from. Families, communities, local governments, states, and federal. So to start restructuring at the federal level should be the last thing to be done. So guys, let's know your thoughts. Your contributions are in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe, and also turn notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video. You can send in your comments and keep the conversation lively in the comment section. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe guys. Bye.
I'm surprised that even the apex court will toe the line of an earlier judgment in spite of all the flaws associated with the judgment delivered by the Presidential Election Appeal Tribunal. Having conclusively exercised our fundamental rights as gifted to us by the laws of the land, we have no other choice but to move on. We may be disappointed and dismayed by the outcome of the exercise, but we have chosen to trudge on and to remain optimistic of what the future holds for the nation. We weep for our institutions that cannot rise to the occasion and courageously defend democracy and the voices of the people. However, there are great lessons to be learnt. What transpired in Nigeria since February 25th presidential election is a clear testament